aviation program vital in firefighting efforts, utilizing fleet of air tankers, helicopters, and uncrewed aerial systems. Program enhances firefighting capabilities, improves situational awareness, and supports ground crews in efficiently battling wildfires. We thank them for the outstanding work, especially most recently the LA area.
I see him in real life, but I lost him in my camera.
CAL FIRE acquired 15 of the Federal Excess Personal Property Program, which since been converted from use as air attack platforms to replace the original Cessna ov2. The ov10.
S2 turbo trucker. Baby.
The old Grumman Predator, of course, reconfigured for firefighting, and the huge C130 Hercules.
Yeah.